Hey, what's up guys, it is me Zane, back here with another video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you my 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬 collection. As you guys may or may not know, I'm a big fan of Tyler the Creator for his music and his clothing brand 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬. So you know, since I have a lot of it, I thought I'd share it with you guys. I know it's not a ton, but it's still something and I need a video to shoot. So let's just get on right into this. So the first shirt is the normal 3D multicolor box logo tee. Colors may look weird on camera, but I can assure you this looks great in person. This is definitely one of my favorite basic pieces because it's just something I can throw on and it'll still look nice because of the vibrant logo. Now this has got to be one of my favorite pieces ever. These are the logo all print. I think it's called the 3D print actually. I love the design, I love the colors, it's really vibrant, and I also love the inside elastic band color. It's like a blue. These are really great. I love them. These are kind of these pants that you can wear with any basic colored t-shirt or really anything. They feel great and they're amazing. Next up, this has got to be hands down my favorite piece. These are the very famous 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬 flame shorts. I wear these all the time. They're extremely nice. They're really great quality. The elastic's strong and they're really comfortable to wear. They really go with everything and they're really vibrant and really eye-catching. On to the next item in the collection. We got this really rare Grinch x 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬 tee. I like this one. I normally hate wearing the color red, but this shirt just looks great on me. We have the Grinch right here. It was one of those items that I really wanted to cop for a while, and I finally did, and I was so happy that I did. And on to our last item. This is a 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬, I think it's called a 5-panel hat, not too sure, or a camp hat. I actually wanted this in a black, but for some reason they shipped it out to me in a pink. It still looks good, it's just, you know, I'm just not a big fan of pink, you know. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Got the made in the USA tag right there. And yeah, this was, I think, probably like the 4th or 3rd item I ever copped from 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬. So the most expensive piece in my personal collection is this 𝑦𝑔𝑜R hoodie that I got at the 𝑦𝑔𝑜R concert when Tyler the Creator came to my city back in 2019. This hoodie costed me about $90 Canadian. It's definitely not my favorite piece considering how cheaply made it is, and it is such a basic print again. It's the 𝑦𝑔𝑜R statue, and on the back we have black on black text with the 𝑦𝑔𝑜R logo and all the tour dates. The quality isn't that great and the sizing is really messed up. I got this in a small and it was extremely small. On the inside we got the 𝑦𝑔𝑜R tag, which I thought was a little cool touch. We have that in a really nice blue. But yeah, it's definitely not one of my favorite pieces considering I'm pretty sure this was printed on a Gildan hoodie, and the fact that it costed 90 bucks is kind of crazy. But yeah, it's definitely a memory and something I can hold on to from that incredible night. So the first ever 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬 piece I ever owned was this Flower Boy t-shirt, the Can I Get a Kiss one in green, a mint green. Now I actually got this pre-owned off of Depop, and I think it costed me about 40 bucks. It was actually really cracked and the print's kind of already faded. It came like this, and yeah, I wish it came in better condition. It's definitely one of my favorite shirts despite the condition that it is in because of the color and the design, but I love it. So I actually got this in November of 2019. So technically this is my first piece of 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬 because this is the actual 𝑺𝑼𝑩𝑬 brand, and the 𝑦𝑔𝑜R hoodie was, I guess, 𝑦𝑔𝑜R. But yeah, I got it in a pretty bad condition. Definitely wasn't worth the price of 40 bucks. But I still like it. I also really enjoy looking at the references from the songs and of course the famous bee. Now, I have a bunch of favorites in my collection. I guess starting off with these flame shorts. These are the most iconic, they're the most comfortable, they're the most vibrant, and they're just my favorite overall. I love the prints, I love the quality of them, I love the feeling of them. I've never really had shorts like these, and they feel incredible. They're really eye-catching. Just, I love everything about them. They're the kind of shorts you can wear with a black t-shirt or a white t-shirt. You can really wear this with anything. Now, my second favorite item has got to be these shorts. I love how vibrant they are. I love the print and the design where it's just all scattered out. These are the type of shorts that you can wear with any solid color shirt and it'll still look good. Now, the unfortunate part about these is that they're actually getting a little bit too small for me, so I'm gonna have to find a new pair. But yeah, everything about these shorts is just mwah. And I guess my third favorite item has got to be this Golf Wang polo. I love the material and I love the design too. I love the colors. I've never really been into polos, but this one just kind of caught my eye because I thought I would look good in it, and I do. I like the colors. Yeah, there's not really much I could say about it. Quality on the inside is also really great as well. I don't know how to compare it, but it's great. Now the cheapest item that I have has got to be this Golf Wang tee. So I own 1 Tyler vinyl and 2 CDs, and yeah, I'm a poser. I don't even have a proper working vinyl record player. I just bought the vinyl for decoration since this is my favorite album of all time. For the composition, the chords, melodies, everything about it really. Oh, shit. So for those who have not seen the inside, basically it's just T, you know, T taking a mirror selfie and T 3 times, you know. And that's really it. It came with a poster. You guys have probably seen it in my videos. It's hanged up right on my door. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I also got Wolf on CD. If you guys want to check out me unboxing these CDs for the first time ever, you can go check out that video right here. You know, it's just really the album. That's it. Got the CD in there. Tyler putting his fingers up his nose. That's nice. And we got the Cherry Bomb CD. This one came with the poster too. That's pretty much it. My most worn item has definitely got to be these flame shorts. I think I wore these like literally almost every day of the summer. You know, like these are just, they're a favorite. I love these so much. And I think that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry if it was short. I just thought of filming this. It sounded like a good idea. In the end, I don't know if it worked out. We'll have to see once I'm editing it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you guys want to see more videos like this, maybe like a cause figure collection, or maybe I can do a parody on GQ's like essentials thing, let me know down below if you guys would like to see that. I think that would be a lot of fun to shoot. And I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but basically half of these items are replicas. This polo, this shirt, this hat, that shirt, these shorts, and those shorts are all replicas. The Igor hoodie and the Can I Get a Kiss shirt are official, as well as the CDs and the vinyls. But I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but that's the truth. Anyways, peace.
Subscribe to Zane Burko.